Hey everyone! Today, I'm diving into the future of EVcharging with a focus on the FET-MA35-S2 SoM, a multi-core, secure, industrial-grade solution for your EVcharging piles TCU. TCU is the terminal control unit that manages the charging process, ensures safety, handles data exchange, and billing for charging piles. The FET-MA35-S2 SoM can be used as an ideal hardware platform for charging pile TCU with following advantages. It is equipped with two Cortex-A35E 800 MHz and a Cortex-M for a 180 MHz running Linux system and real-time operating system respectively. In detail, A35 kernel handles the main control logic of the charging pile, for example, billing, communication protocol parsing, and M for kernel monitors the voltage current parameters in real time to ensure the safety of the charging process. The SoM uses LCC plus LGA packaging with 48mm 40mm size and all 260 pins let out. It supports 17 UART and can switch between RS-232 and RS-485 to Gigabit Ethernet ports, enable fast data transfer with the cloud for remote monitoring and control. 8 ADC channels read voltage, current, and temperature accurately, helping prevent overheating with smart PWM adjustment. For CAN-FD interfaces support fast communication with BMS and charging controllers, ensuring accurate charging parameter matching. You can connect devices like meters, scanners, and card readers directly, no extra chips needed. Security-wise, it integrates Nuvoton's TSI, Trust Zone, Secure Boot, encryption engines, and a true random number generator to protect key data and communications. It's made for the field. Operating in -40 degrees Celsius to 85 degrees Celsius and tested for EMC resistance. For user interaction, it supports 1080p RGB displays, touchscreens, and I2S audio for voice prompts. And when it comes to updates, it supports OTA and AI predictive maintenance via 4G or Ethernet. Contact us for detailed documentation of this module and click the link below for the TCU solutions. Please subscribe and like.